Hello everyone, today Baking with JY is going to show you what is the relationship between halal food and our youngsters, Gen Z. So buckle up and get ready. First off, measurement is the most important part in baking, just like Gen Z. They are born after the 2000s. So what are the Gen Zs like? Let's find out next. Sifting the flour takes time and patience, just like handling Gen Z. They have zero attention span. Remember to clean it all up after sifting, just like Gen Z will clean up our economic mess. So, they are the largest consumers in the market today, and we must know their consumer behavior. And their awareness towards halal food industry in this time and day. Seasonings is added to add some flavor. Looks same as Gen Z. They are the most culturally diverse generation ever with constant access of internet. Three things stood out for them: the importance of self-image, social media that fills their demands of experiences, and of course their on-demand economy that begets expectations of immediacy of the Gen Z. Adding eggs into the mixture gives the cake some texture and not much needed protein, just like Gen Z. They have relatively high awareness towards the halal industry as a whole, and they know what halal meant, but the extension of their knowledge varies between people. Mix the wet ingredients into their nice and even. However, the challenges Gen Z are facing today are not as nice and even as the butter is. It's easy to get confused with other halal issues and challenges nowadays. So what are they? First, halal logo issue, misconception of product origins, labeling issues, uncertainties of the substances used in halal product, and of course, halal literacy. With their demand for experiences, Gen Z it up like the dry and wet ingredients here. They like to follow trends, head up challenges, demanding attention from the followers. Wearing icing for the cake is good for the appearance of the cake, just like Gen Z. The appearance on the social media space is such an important to them. They go to cafes, restaurants that are trending and hot, but they do not check up on the halal status that much. Now the cake is baking in the oven, and how do we bake the Gen Z and make them ready for the halal food industry? Let's find out. With limited amount of studies being conducted on Gen Zs nowadays, it's hard to grasp the central issue and how to tackle it. But it's important to build awareness through constant education through ways that they could engage them through social media platforms. As increase, Gen Z will be supporting more halal certified restaurants and food products, and that will provide our local SME business, which is definitely like adding icing to on the cake for our downturning economy. Gen Z will be the generation that could change everything for the better in the future. They will be our biggest consumer segment, and they are the decoration needed for the cake. It is imperative for them to never forget the values of halal food, not just to the Muslim, but non-Muslim as well. By upholding the values that is halal food industry, the flourishment of our economy will be great as Malaysia is the biggest player in the market. With that, the cake is done and is ready to serve. Thank you for your time. This is Baking with JY. Hope you enjoy the video.